Okay, describe a skill that was difficult for you to learn.
I always wanted to learn new skills from my childhood days. Fortunately, I have to chance new skills. But one skill that was difficult to me, that was gardening. I have no idea about it. But I one of my friends, he is professional in this. But moreover, I read a book about gardening. I learned new skills, and I learned how to plant grow, to seed to tree. After few months, I practice, and I few moments later I able to uh,
All right, 47 seconds only, and I able to is wrong. I was able to. So try to practice more and connect your sentences together. At the moment, you are making simple sentences. Try to use moreover, additionally, furthermore. These type of connecting words will actually add to that. And fluency is another issue. So try to speak fluently, and that is only possible if you practice these topics. Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What skills do students need to learn?
in term of skills, there are compulsory skill that every student had to learn. It
Every student has to learn.
has to
Present.
learn it. First of all, the communication skills is the best way to other person to communicate. That is the very compulsory
Hmm.
skills.
Okay, this answer is short. You need to talk about other skills: communication skill, problem solving skill, decision making skill. Talk about a variety of things. Okay. All right. Thank you.